In our search for ways or ideas or some sort of respite from our financial situation, we eventually turn to, yeah, I'm gonna say it, network marketing.
As a mental health professional and a best-selling author, network marketing was not anywhere in my psyche. I never thought I would ever be involved in a company like doTERRA until I found doTERRA. I had no idea how awesome network marketing could be.
Network marketing is probably my favorite business model because it makes success accessible to so many.
And I feel that network marketing allows us the time freedom. It allows us the financial freedom that we all deserve as human beings. And now, instead of arguing over whether we can stay an extra day on vacation, I feel like I'm on vacation my entire life.
My wife and I are the parents of 7 children. And to us, discovering essential oils, and more discovering doTERRA essential oils, changed everything that we do, changed our lives in all aspects, because we're able to focus with our children on having freedom to choose and manage our own lifestyle, whether it's our physical health, our mental health, our financial health, which is a big one, our emotional health, and even our spiritual health. All 5 of these are connected, and if any one of them is out of balance, it affects the whole. And we have found support in all of these areas.
One of the reasons I love doTERRA's compensation plan is because it's so applicable to everyone. It's a platform where average people can make way above average income, and that is so empowering financially.
doTERRA is an amazing company, and I feel so grateful to be partnered with them because I know that they are a company full of integrity.
What I like about doTERRA, and the thing that I find interesting, is that I'm in charge of my own schedule and I have the ability to choose where and when and what I do on a daily basis.
doTERRA is a powerful vehicle. Whatever you want to create, you can do that by connecting with doTERRA.
But when I started to really look at network marketing and understand that I was really in a job, the job that I was in was really a pyramid scheme where there was only one person at the top who could benefit in the way that would bring financial freedom, and everyone else in that pyramid supported that position. I was actually looking for a pyramid that was like this, where anybody who decided to rise to the top could take advantage of and find financial freedom. doTERRA as a vehicle, the perfect vehicle in my mind, was the first company to come along and actually take the model of network marketing and plug the right ingredients into it, like no other company's ever done.
When direct sales or network marketing is done properly, it's a relationships business, and I'm a relationships expert, and it was the perfect business model for me. When we honor relationships and we work together to share and better each other's lives, individual by individual, belly to belly, person to person, we really have a powerful effect, and we enhance our own personal development in the process as we learn to understand ourselves better, and we come to understand and love others around us better.
We are so excited to see what the next phase entails for doTERRA. I think the possibilities are endless. In the network marketing profession, oftentimes companies will talk about fancy cars and having a lot of money, and doTERRA is completely different from that. For us, the purpose goes much deeper. We want to teach individuals how to get themselves out of debt, how to be able to remove those burdens that weigh them down. And as they do that, that gives them an opportunity to truly be free.